Welcome, everyone. Today, we delve into the inspiring world of side hustles with Chris Guillebeau's impactful book, Side Hustle: From Idea to Income in 27 Days. The book provides a step-by-step guide to creating an additional income stream, focusing on speed, simplicity, and profitability. Key points. Idea generation. Guillebeau emphasizes brainstorming multiple ideas, focusing on skills you possess, problems you can solve, and market needs. Selecting the best idea. Evaluate each idea based on feasibility, profitability, and passion. Opt for the one with the most potential. Developing the idea. Once the idea is selected, work on fleshing it out. Define what you're selling, who the target audience is, and how it solves a problem. Logistics and legalities. Guillebeau discusses setting up the side hustle legally, managing finances, and creating a brand presence. Marketing and sales. The book outlines various strategies to market the side hustle and make the first sale, leveraging online and offline channels. Optimization and scaling. Learn about refining the business process, improving the product, service, and potentially scaling the side hustle for more income. Practical advice. Quick action and iteration. Start immediately with the resources and knowledge you have. Don't wait for the perfect idea or perfect circumstances. Embrace an iterative approach, continuously refining and improving your idea based on feedback and learning. Leverage existing skills and knowledge. Focus on what you are already good at. Your existing skills and knowledge are your biggest assets. They can minimize the learning curve, reduce startup time, and increase your chances of success. If you're good at writing, consider freelance writing or blogging. If you have a knack for photography, explore selling stock photos or offering photography services. Market validation. Before investing significant time and resources, validate your idea by testing it in the market. Conduct surveys, seek feedback from potential customers, and observe market trends. Market validation helps refine the product, service, and ensures a real demand, reducing the risk of failure. Lean approach to finances. Keep the initial investment and fixed costs low. Utilize free online resources, work from home, and focus on digital marketing. A lean approach enables you to start without a huge financial burden and makes it easier to achieve profitability. Relationship building and networking. Building relationships with potential customers, collaborators, and mentors is crucial. Attend networking events, join relevant online communities, and contact people in your industry. Building a strong network can provide support, open up opportunities, and drive customers to your side hustle. Effective online presence. In today's digital age, having an online presence is essential. Create a professional website, utilize social media, and focus on content marketing to reach a wider audience, build credibility, and drive sales. Customer feedback and adaptation. Listen to your customers and adapt your product, service based on their feedback. Customer feedback is invaluable in improving your offerings and ensuring customer satisfaction, which leads to repeat business and referrals. Time management and prioritization. Managing a side hustle along with other responsibilities can be challenging. Effective time management and prioritization are key. Allocate specific time slots for your side hustle, set clear goals, and prioritize tasks based on impact and urgency. Scaling strategically. Once the side hustle starts generating consistent income, consider scaling it strategically. Explore additional revenue streams, expand the target audience, and optimize operations. But remember to scale at a pace that is manageable and sustainable. Legal compliance and financial management. Ensure that your side hustle complies with relevant laws and regulations. Properly manage finances, keeping track of income, expenses, and taxes. This safeguards against legal issues and helps in maintaining financial health. Learning and skill development. Continuously learn and develop new skills that can enhance your side hustle. Stay updated with industry trends, attend workshops, and invest in courses if necessary. Skill development increases your versatility and opens up new opportunities. Value proposition and differentiation. Clearly articulate the value proposition of your side hustle. What makes it unique? How does it solve a problem better than the competition? Differentiation helps in attracting and retaining customers. Resilience and persistence. Lastly, be prepared for challenges and setbacks. The road to a successful side hustle is not always smooth. Resilience and persistence are vital in overcoming obstacles and staying on the path to success. Conclusion. Side Hustle, by Chris Guillebeau, is a practical guide that demystifies the process of starting a side hustle. It offers actionable insights and a clear roadmap for anyone looking to add an income stream and achieve financial independence. Thank you for joining us. If you found this summary helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more, and drop your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.